Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your Discord camera is not working on your PC or laptop, and you only see a black screen or no video, this video will help you. Many users think their camera is broken, but in most cases, Discord is using the wrong camera. Let me show you how to fix this step by step. First, open Discord on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on the gear icon at the bottom left to open settings. From here, click on Voice and Video. Scroll down to the Video Settings section. Here, you will see the camera option. Click on the camera drop-down menu. If you have more than one camera, Discord may be using the wrong one. Select the correct camera from the list. As soon as you select the correct camera, you should see the preview working. If the camera still does not work, scroll a little down and click on Reset Video Settings. This will refresh the camera configuration. Also make sure no other app like Zoom, OBS, or Teams is using your camera. Close those apps completely. You can also restart Discord after changing the camera. Once these steps are done, your Discord camera should start working normally. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more PC fixes and Discord troubleshooting videos.